it's Cheesy from Cheesy's Kitchen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some vanilla cupcakes. Let's get started. So we have some ingredients here. The first one is 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we have 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Then 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And 1/2 cup of full-fat sour cream. Let's get started baking. So I've already done it, but you guys might take a second. Find a cupcake tray and put in the baking cups. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. So first I'm gonna put in the flour. And then I put in the baking powder. So. Then the salt. So now that we have all the dry ingredients in here, we're just gonna whisk it out with a fork. Now once that's nicely mixed in, we're gonna set this aside. Okay, so now we're gonna take a mixer bowl and put in the butter and the sugar. Now, I'm gonna bring this back. So we're gonna beat it inside of an electric mixer. So now we're gonna start to beat this in our electric mixer until soft and fluffy. So now we're gonna beat in the eggs one at a time. I'm just gonna turn this down. Put in the next. Okay, so while this is going, we're gonna put in the vanilla. Now we're gonna put in all of our sour cream. And beat until it's all mixed. So now we're gonna put all of our dry ingredients by 2 spoonfuls at a time. Now, we're gonna start the mixer, like so, and continue putting in 2 spoonfuls at a time until we're all out of dry mixture. So now, we're gonna take all this dough and fill it up inside of the cupcake liners to about halfway. I'm gonna go for 1 spoonful each. So we filled up all the batter into the cupcake liners, halfway full, and put it back in the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna start to ice the cupcakes now. hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe, follow, and like this video for more. Thanks. Bye.